Hey folks, it's Andrei from Intense Computing, and we are going to be talking about something that is very important to all of us, which is computer speed. Now, we did a segment a while back about speeding up your computer, both for Mac and PC. You can check that out. We'll have the link right there. But we're going to be talking about it specific for Mac, a way you can pin down why your computer is running so slow. So what we're going to do is open up your Applications folder, which I have done here. You're going to scroll all the way to the bottom and find a little folder that looks kind of like this, named Utilities. When you open that up, you're going to find a bunch of different stuff. Maybe you've never used it, you might have seen it before, might have needed to use it, but we're going to choose the first one, named Activity Monitor. Now, Activity Monitor does exactly what it sounds like it does. It monitors the activity on the computer. Now, as you can see, right now, I have it on all processes, but when you first start it up, you're going to see it's going to be on my processes. Now you want to change that, and you should be able to. Just click all processes, and you'll notice you get a list. Now you can also see the CPU, system memory, disk activity, disk usage, and network. But we're going to specifically look over here to see what's most. Now, if you're looking if the memory is running slow, then you can check the memory to see which one's taking up the most. Now, in this case, kernel task is actually the OS. That's why the process ID is 0. So you can't really do anything about that. But Firefox, it can be kind of memory intensive. You can also check the CPU. Now, as you can see, my recorder is what's taking up the most CPU here. But kernel task is also pretty far up there. Now, if you find something like this, VCD, and you don't really know what it is, the easiest way is to inspect it. When you press inspect, you'll get a bar like this, and it'll give you some information. This can be a little bit hard to understand, but if you click open files and ports, it should help you understand what it is. Now this is actually my OpenGL, as you can kind of see. What that means is that it is, yes folks, my graphics. So we don't want to deal that away yet. Now, there's a lot of things you can do, but you want to be careful. If there is something that seems to be taking up a lot of space and that you don't need, such as an application or something like that, you can select it and select Quit Process. It will quit the process, terminate it much faster than other methods. Now, this is the easiest way to monitor your activity. I have another tool that I'm going to be talking about another time for network monitoring. But if you have questions or comments, you can go ahead and email us by going to youtube.com/intensecomputing, and you can also get us by emailing intensecomputinghelp@gmail.com. I got it right. If you have comments, questions, anything like that, you can post. Please comment, rate, and subscribe.